In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy from one design to another in Canva. We'll keep it simple and fast, and I'll point out a few tips so everything lands exactly where you expect. Start by opening both designs in separate browser tabs. Keeping them side by side makes switching quick and prevents you from accidentally editing the wrong file. Next, switch each design to grid view. Look for the grid icon in the editor depending on your screen size. It's usually at the bottom right or the top right. Grid view shows every page as a thumbnail, which makes selecting and inserting pages far easier than working on the canvas. Move to the design you want to copy from the source design. Click the first page you need. If you want a continuous run of pages, hold Shift and click the last page in that range to select everything in between. If you only need certain pages, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking each page to add or remove it from your selection. You'll see a highlight around all selected pages so you can confirm your choices. With those pages selected, copy them using Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. Canva copies the full page contents, including text, images, colors, and most animations and timing. Switch to the other browser tab, the destination design. Open grid view here as well. Click the page after which you want the copied pages to appear. If you're not sure yet, just click any page. You can rearrange later by dragging thumbnails. Now paste using Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. The pages will be inserted right after the page you clicked. If no page was selected, Canva typically adds them to the end of the document. That's it. Thanks for watching.